Yeah.
All right, Jim and Greg, you seem very
Yeah.
nice. Well, we hope to cost you and your sister
Yeah,
a
I'm
lot of
taking.
money tonight, all right? Okay, very good. Now, the audio kind
Okay.
is answered.
All right. Good luck with your car, Sally.
If any hand is a push, we'll replay
Awesome.
the hand. There's no doubling down. Insurance is splitting, but a blackjack is still, it still pays 1.5 times the bet. Let's cut those cards and play some blackjack. How about it, Andy? $10,000 right there in chips. We're going to do this. She knows what she's doing, so don't worry about it. You're in very good hands. All right. There are our chips. Oh, and a nice ring on top. Let's start it down. And
Wow.
get home. What a
Oh.
terrible way to finish up, right? All right. It's not over, though.
Okay.
And the dealer has...
Okay. Bye.
Well, that's not good.
Jojo's coming over tomorrow.
We have to hit there.
Okay.
No games on tonight?
Yeah, there's a basketball game on after the show.
Oh, let me-
What?
Let's see what they got.
Huh?
let's
Hey,
do
can we
it.
get another $10,000? All right, and Chippy, we're going to take another $10,000 out of your Social Security, okay?
I got to do something. What I got to do?
I don't know. Get up to get the spray in the bathroom and spray it in the air.
No, that wasn't my intention. I'll do that when nobody's around, because it's gonna get the rug wet. We had one.
Should have a red one.
I know, but I can't find it.
Great.